non-Congressism, and a brief on Ram Manohar Lohia. Non-Congressism. The party politics of this time were around these protests. Opposition parties came together to organize public protests and put pressure on the government. Identifying that the split in their vote share is benefiting the Congress, in many states, opposition parties formed a common front against Congress and undertook seat-sharing adjustments. The inexperienced Indira Gandhi as PM and divisions within the Congress gave hope to these parties that they can finally dethrone the Congress party. This strategy was given the name non-Congressism by Ram Manohar Lohia, the socialist. He argued that as the Congress's rule was undemocratic, it is necessary for non-Congress parties to come together and reclaim democracy. A brief on Ram Manohar Lohia. He was a founding member of Congress Socialist Party, later the Socialist Party and Samyukta Socialist Party. He was a socialist and a freedom fighter. He was the founder and editor of Mankind and Jan. He was known for his criticism of Nehru, suggesting non-Congressism and supporting reservation for backward classes.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.